In this video, we learn how to create a bottom sheet in Android. Create a new project and name it bottom sheet. First, make sure these two lines are exist in build.gradle file. Now go to layout file and change container to a coordinator layout. Now create a linear layout. And set its orientation to vertical. A bottom sheet is basically a linear or a relative layout, which we add three more properties to it. First, layout behavior, which we set it to bottom sheet behavior. Second, behavior hideable, which we set it to false. We don't want when bottom sheet send it to bottom, we don't want to hide completely. And the third, behavior pitch height, which will set it to 30 dp, which is 30 dp of bottom sheets exist, and we can drag and move it to up and down. In our bottom sheet, we create a text view and set gravity to center. Set its text to, for example, bottom sheet title. Set its background color to green color, and set text color to white, and add some style to it. And set the layout height to 30 dp equal to or pitch height. Now add another text view. And we can add a button. Now run the app. This is our app, and this is our bottom sheet. Thank you for watching.